on, Todd Shaw here, the Sawdust Dude. Got another quick tip for you. You know, whether it's your shop or your work van, you got to stay organized. And one of the things that always kind of frustrated me was, where are those rechargeable batteries? And for here, found these little things online, and they're mounts for your Dewalt batteries, and they fit just great like that. Click on, you just screw them to the wall, click, go. This is so awesome. It's a time saver. I always know where my batteries are, and that's a great thing. That's a quick tip for you. Hey, thanks for watching the Sawdust Dude.